Hi, in this video we will knit the decreases along the sleeve. Your last round should be around where you knitted the garter stitch section. We are at the beginning of the round. First, I will switch to the next color. To decrease, knit the first stitch, then knit 2 stitches together. Knit until you get to the garter stitch section. Purl the garter stitch section. Knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the round. Slip, slip, knit and knit the last stitch. After this round, work 6 rounds even before you knit the second and last round of decreases. So purl the garter stitch section in one round and then knit the section in the next round without knitting any decreases. In the 7th round, decrease by knitting the second and the third stitch together and working an SSK right before the last stitch of the round. After the decreases, there should be 38 stitches left. Continue working the sleeve without knitting any more decreases until the sleeve is 16.5 centimeters long. After that, change to the smaller needles and knit a knit 1, purl 1 ribbing. I like to distribute the stitches in a way that the first stitch of each needle is a knit stitch so that my ribbing looks more even. Continue in knit 1, purl 1 until the ribbing is 2.5 centimeters long. Now that the ribbing is finished, we can bind off the stitches. We will bind off the same way as we did for the body stitches. So knit the first stitch. Make a yarn over and purl the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. Wrap the yarn around the needle and knit the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. Make a yarn over and purl the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. Continue like that until you have reached the end of the round. Once I only have one stitch left, I like to pick up one stitch at the beginning of the round and then pull the last remaining stitch over that stitch. That evens out the difference in height a bit. You can then cut the yarn and pull it through the last stitch. To finish the sweater, add the second sleeve and then sew in all of the ends. I hope this video series was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.